Bud Light.
Woohoo!
Good morning. Go ahead.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Of a beautiful rainy Saturday day.
Yep, it is. Not pouring, but it's raining. Right now we are going to my grandfather's house to do some painting. We painted 2 rooms yesterday, and today we're doing the second coat. This is what we did yesterday. And this room. And now we're gonna do the second coat. It's about 3 o'clock right now, and we finished painting like an hour ago, I think. And then we stayed and talked to my grandfather a little bit. But now we are ordering some dinner from Texas Roadhouse. And we're ordering it now and then going to Walmart, which is like right there, and then coming back and picking it up. 4 things of ice cream.
They're all mine.
Good morning, happy Sunday. My mom and I are going to get some coffee and some breakfast from Dunkin' Donuts.
Gas.
And gas.
In 6 weeks. Yes.
Yeah, she hasn't driven in
A long time.
2 weeks,
No,
I
I
think.
went last week, so I went out last week. Farmer's market.
I don't know what that noise is. Okay, we got it. It's back! We just found these blue cheese stuffed olives that were $10 in Mom's car. Somehow they fell into like the side pocket thing, and they've been in here for a week.
Actually, are those olives okay? They didn't have them in a freezer or a refrigerator. They had them like sitting out on top, remember?
I don't know
But it's been a week.
how to not.
Now I'm looking for what else fell out of my car.
Got a nice frozen caramel coffee. Cheers.
Oh, okay. Great.
Breakfast is served. It is about 11:15. My dad and I are about to go run some errands. I actually have a lot of errands to run now that I'm thinking about it. We're gonna go to my house because my dad wants to mow the lawn and do some like other work there. And then I have to go to the bank and the post office, and then I think we're also gonna go to Costco to get a few things. So yeah, that is the current plan. He's just putting some stuff in the truck. All right, we are now at my house, and I need to go through all of this mail. Most of it's probably junk. And then I'm going to clean the fridge, which I really hope it's not too bad. Oh, it's not that bad. All right, well, I'm gonna clean all of this stuff besides the eggs because that is one of my roommates. But other than that, I think all of this stuff can be cleaned. So yeah, that is what I am going to do for the next hour, maybe, however long it takes. The fridge is clean. I am so happy. That took so long and a lot of scrubbing. I was trying to think of the word. A lot of scrubbing in the fridge because there was a lot of like stuff that would not come off with just a paper towel. So yeah, I just finished that. Now I'm out on the porch and I am reading some of my book. This is The Girl on the Train by Paula Hawkins. I just started it the other day. I'm only like a few pages in. Yeah, I'm on page 28. So I'm gonna read some of that. I'm also gonna have a Bud Light because why not? And yeah, just enjoy this beautiful day. It's actually really nice out. I'm just so happy that the fridge is clean because it was disgusting. So, rock on. We are going to Costco now. Don't really know why because we were at Walmart yesterday.
Something to do.
He just goes out to the grocery store every day and buys food. But
Everybody's hungry.
I'm okay with that. Alright, I am home now and I need to do some laundry. I have a huge pile of clothes in my closet that are dirty. So I'm gonna do that and I'm also gonna get my towels. So yeah, that's what I'm dealing with right now. Alright, so I am about to go to bed. I am really tired. I don't know why. I'm eating some Godiva chocolate for dessert. And, well, I had an ice cream too. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.